Brinks, a trusted name in security since 1859. This video covers the installation of the Brinks knobs with square spindle latches, including keyed entry, interior locking, and interior non-locking functions. If necessary, adjust the latch back set according to how your doorknob hole was prepared. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole on the face of the door. This is called the back set. If the distance is 2 3/8 inches, you can use the latch as it came in the box. It's preset to this back set. For doors with a 2 3/4 inch back set, simply adjust the latch to the marked 2 3/4 inch position. Insert the latch into the hole on the edge of the door. Make sure the angle face of the latch is facing the door jamb. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and 2 screws to install the latch. Insert the main lock body from the exterior side of the door with the spindle going through the opening of the latch. Insert the interior knob and line up the 2 screws through the opening on the knob cover plate with the screw posts on the main lock body. Tighten the screws and test the installation by rotating, locking, and unlocking to make sure the latch retracts. In just a few easy steps, you have updated your home by installing a beautiful, durable, and secure Brinks lock.